Rivets are out, boys. Bam. This is the original ball joint right here. Hey guys, another video. GMZ here. I'm about to do a walkthrough on how to remove upper ball joints on a GM C10. Lower ball joints as well. Let's get it. So these are the tools we're going to be using. A ball joint service kit. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. Some punches, a chisel, BF hammer, and a grinder with the cutoff wheel. So we're going to start with the top first. And you can tell these are factory because they're riveted. The aftermarket upper ball joints, they come with the bolt going up. Let me show you guys. See, I've ever replaced this side, and these are how the aftermarket ones are. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some notches at the top. Here we go. So here's how it came out. We got our, call them crosses or X's on top of the rivet. Just don't be scared to go like down into the metal part of the ball joint, since you're gonna be replacing it anyway, so it's gonna go to the dump. So don't be scared. Just try not to get, see, I got a little bit right here, but no big deal. Try not to get right here, the upper control arm. But so far so good. All right, boys, here's the fun part. What we're gonna do right here is use our chisel and our hammer. We're gonna come in here and act like we're an air chisel and just bang on it like this. See that? Don't take much. There we go, boys. Pretty much that was the hardest part. Just knocking out that rivet, that the top of the rivet. Next step, what we're gonna do is grind down the top of the ball joint. So just grind it all the way down. Make sure it's flush. Grind that all the way down. All right, boys. Let's get to the fun part, taking the rivet out. If you look close, you can see there's a faint line that marks the rivet. You're trying to get a punch and go right in the middle, right in the center of that circle. Get a drill bit, 532, 5/32. Let her have it. There you go, boys. Rivets are out. Rivets are out, boys. Bam. This is the original ball joint right here from 1974. Let's get it swapped out. We're gonna remove the bottom one. First thing I did was put a jack under the control arm and raise it up. That way we'll have clearance once we put this tool on. So for the top one is the number 6 from the kit. Harbor Freight Special. So the top is number 6. Slide this thing over. For the bottom is the number 7. And then we're gonna use the number 4. Here's the setup for the bottom. Here's the setup, guys, for the bottom ball joint. Now we just got a freaking crank on this bad boy. Trying to do it one hand. Here we go. There you go. Just clean it up real quick. Here's the installation, boys. Number 6 at the top. Number 4. And then a number 10. Just make sure it's straight. So here it is, boys. The new lower ball joint pressed in. Look at that. Firm. New one right here, the upper. Just drops in. There you go, boys. Upper and lower ball joints complete. I recommend using Loctite on these threads. I mean, I'm not a pro. I'm just your average Joe trying to help somebody out. I mean, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat, and this is the way I skinned it. Till next time.